What's the meaning of cock-a-hoop? Cock-a-hoop. Cock-a-hoop.
Cock-a-hoop. Cock-a-hoop. Cock-a-hoop means to be extremely pleased and enthusiastic about something, often to the point of being overconfident or boastful. When someone is cock-a-hoop, they feel triumphant and may even gloat about their success. This term likely originated from the ancient game of hoop rolling, in which players would aim to get a wooden hoop to stand upright, or cock, over a stick. The feeling of accomplishment and celebration associated with winning this game may have inspired the phrase. Overall, being cock-a-hoop describes a state of great joy and exuberance.